While it won't take much to convince someone into an activity they already have their heart set on, a more unexpected benefit to traveling with a group such as this is being persuaded to have experiences you may have otherwise avoided or simply been unaware of. You might think you know how something is going to go, but the reality is the most powerful experiences often come when we least expect it.
RVers often hear horror stories about the top of the world highway, and they are greatly exaggerated. And if you don't travel over the top of the world highway, you're gonna miss, say, Dawson City, and you're gonna miss Chicken, Alaska. Don't be afraid of the top of the world highway. Just drive slow. It's beautiful. You are literally traveling on a ridge, the top of the world highway. Beautiful scenery. Don't drive fast. Oftentimes, the best part of the journey is the driving day. It may not be the destination, the campground. It's just a campground to rest up after your beautiful scenic travel day.